Hello lovely people! I am filming in my kitchen today, doing some recipes that are coming up, fast and furious, and I wanted to give you a sneak peek of this one. Whoa, brownies, fudgy delicious brownies. Why am I doing brownies? That doesn't seem right for this channel, does it? Because of this. Brownies with the zucchini. Does that sound like totally weird? But then again, if you could smell these right now. I'm working on a special Valentine's Day chocolate themed video and where's my other props here? And avocados. What more could I possibly say about avocados? Well, Super Bowl is coming up here in America and that's the biggest day for these guys. So I'm revisiting. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, give you and only you a sneak peek of what I'm up to, and yeah, and say hi, and hope you guys are all well, and talk to you soon. Bye.